Hello, I am Sukhchan Singh, student of MA English from SD Government College, Ludhiana. To complete a task, skill enhancement and social outreach paper, I will be communicated to economy migrants or internal migrants. I have tried to showcase the hardship and challenges this face by living the states or districts. Moreover, I have sad life on the hard work they live in. Here to present my social outreach project. The topic of my project is fruit vendors of migrants in Punjab. In our everyday life, we often come across fruit vendors in markets, on roadsides, near bus stops, and even in our own neighborhoods. We see them regularly, buy fruits from them, and then move on with our busy lives. However, we rarely stop to think about who these people are, where they come from, and what kind of life they are living. We usually focus only on the fruits they sell, not the people behind the carts. This project is an attempt to look beyond the surface and understand the real lives of these migrants, fruit vendors. It tries to bring attention to their struggles, their hard work, and their contribution to society, which often goes unnoticed. Most of these fruit vendors are migrants. They are come from different parts of India such as Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand and other rural areas where job opportunities are limited due to poverty, unemployment and lack of resources. They are forced to leave their homes and migrants to their states in search of better livelihood option. Punjab being a prosperous and agricultural development states become a major destination of such workers. Migration is not an easy decision. It means leaving behind family, culture, language, and a sense of belonging. These vendors often live far away from their families for months or even years. They come to a new place where everything is unfamiliar and they have to start their lives from the beginning. Despite these challenges, migrants, fruit vendors become an important part of their daily lives. They provide fresh fruit and at reasonable price and make them easily accessible to people from all sections of society. Whether it is real early morning on or late evening, we can find them working continuously. Their work required not only physical efforts but also patience and dedication. Their daily routine is very demanding. They wake up early morning, go to wholesale markets to purchase fruit, carry heavy loads, arrange their carts, and then spend the entire day selling. They work in all weather conditions, burning hot in summer, cold winds in winter, and rain during monsoon. Even in difficult situations, they continue working because their survival depend on their daily earning. However, behind this hard work lies a life full of struggle. Many of their vendors do not have proper housing facilities. They live in small rented rooms, slums, and temporary shelters with limited basic amenities. Their income is not fixed and it depends entirely on daily sales. Some days they earn enough, but on days they may not earn anything at all. Now it discuss the problem of the fruit vendors from themselves. आपका क्या नाम है? आपका क्या नाम है?
दीपक कुमार।
आपकी कितनी उम्र है?
28 साल।
आप कब आए हो पंजाब में?
हमें तो हो गया 25 साल।
25 साल हो गए। आप कहाँ रहते हो पंजाब में?
पंजाब में यहीं पे रहते हैं।
बाड़ेवाल। आपके घर पे वाले साथ आए हैं?
सब साथ में रहते हैं।
साथ में आए हैं। आपको सब्जी में अच्छी कमाई हो जाती है?
हाँ बस गुजारा
हो चल जाता है।
चल जाता है।
आपको पंजाब में कोई लोग तंग तो नहीं करते?
नहीं हमें तो आज तक कोई तंग नहीं किया है।
अच्छे से बात करते हो सब? सब्जी बिक जाती है शाम तक?
हाँ बिक जाती है।
खर्चा पानी निकल जाता है। और कितनी होगी? नमस्ते भाई। आपका नाम क्या है? बोलू। आपकी उम्र कितनी है? 12 साल है। आप कहाँ से आए हो?
बिहार।
आप कहाँ रहते हो पंजाब में?
बाड़ेवाल।
आप क्या काम करते हो?
सही बेचने
कोई दिक्कत परेशानी नहीं आती सब्जी बेचने में? खर्चा सब बढ़िया निकल जाता है?
हाँ हाँ निकल जाती है।
ठीक। आपके साथ कौन कौन आया है फैमिली में?
फैमिली में मम्मी पापा है।
मम्मी पापा है? कितने साल हो गए आए को?
20 साल हो गए।
20-21 साल। कोई परेशानी हो पंजाब में आपको?
परेशानी
सब्जी में कोई परेशानी आती हो?
नहीं
खर्चा सब बढ़िया निकल जाता है?
निकल ही जाता है बस।
ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਕੀ ਨਾਮ ਹੈ ਜੀ? अमित जी।
हाँ जी।
ਤੁਹਾਡੀ उम्र कितनी है?
20 साल है।
20 साल है।
हाँ जी।
आप कब आए हो पंजाब में?
मैं पंजाब से 10 साल हो गए जी।
10 साल हो गए। आप यहाँ कहाँ रहते हो?
मैं बाड़ेवाल रहना।
बाड़ेवाल।
हाँ जी।
फिर ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਤੋਂ
अदरे सब्जी ले गई।
ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਸਬਜ਼ੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਵਿਕ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ?
हाँ जी भैया लेके ये बाड़ी खराब ही हो जाती है।
ਮੈਂ ਕਈ ਵਾਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਖਰੀਦ ਪਾਦਾ ਹੋ ਖਰੀਦੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ।
ये बार खरीदा नहीं है लोग।
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ। ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਹੈ ਜੀ?
हाँ जी मेरे बच्चे 2 आई।
ਦੋਨੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਜੀ?
हाँ जी।
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ। ਕਿੰਨੇ ਸਾਲ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਵਿਆਹ ਨੂੰ?
ब्याह मेरे हो गया मेरे 5 साल हो गए।
5 ਸਾਲ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਜੀ?
ਹਾਂਜੀ।
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ। ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਪੜ੍ਹਾਈ ਕਰਦੇ?
हाले पढ़ाई करूँगा हाले छोटे छोटे हैं।
ਵਧੀਆ ਆਫਿਸ
हाँ जी
मतलब ਵਧੀਆ स्कूल लगे हुए?
हाँ जी बहुत बढ़िया।
ठीक है जी। कर दो जी। आपका क्या नाम है? आपकी कितनी उम्र है?
मेरा 23 चल रहा है।
23 चल रहा है। आप पंजाब में कब आए थे?
मेरे 7 साल हो गए।
7 साल हो गए। आप कहाँ से हो?
मैं बिहार से।
बिहार से हो। वहाँ किस चीज़ की कमी थी वो आप पंजाब में आए हो?
वहाँ पर सब जो व्यापार कर रहे थे वहाँ पर नहीं हुआ तो पंजाब में आ गए।
आप क्या काम करते हो? क्या काम करते हैं?
मैं सब्जी बेचती हूँ।
सब्जी अच्छी निकल जाती है आपकी?
हाँ कभी नुकसान होता है कभी अच्छा चल जाता है।
ओके, आपका खर्चा निकल जाता है घर का सब?
कभी निकल जाता है कभी वही।
तो क्या आपके कितने बच्चे हैं?
मेरा 2 है।
कितने करने हैं मेरे आपके?
मेरा 4
क्या फैमिली
हाँ
में?
जी।
आपको कोई दिक्कत परेशानी तो नहीं है पंजाब में?
नहीं।
पंजाबी आपसे अच्छी बात करते हैं
हाँ
सब?
जी हाँ जी।
आपके बच्चे कौन सी कक्षा में पढ़ते हैं? बच्चे कौन सी कक्षा में पढ़ते हैं?
और
चौथी में?
हाँ जी।
आपके बच्चे अच्छे पढ़ते हैं?
हाँ जी।
पंजाब में आपको कोई दिक्कत परेशानी तो नहीं है?
नहीं कोई दिक्कत परेशानी नहीं।
This social outreach project has been a very meaningful and eye-opening experience for me. It helped me move beyond books and classrooms and understand the real life struggles of people who are often ignored in our daily lives. Through my interaction with migrants, fruit vendors, I realized that every fruit cart we see on the roadside carries not just fruit but also stories of hardship, sacrifice, and hope. These migrants vendors leave their homes, families, and familiar surrounding in search of better opportunities. They come to a new place where everything is different: the language, the culture, and the environment. Despite all these challenges, they adjust themselves and continue to work with great determination. Their lives are not easy. They work for long hours, face uncontained income, and deal with many problems like poor living conditions, health issues, and lack of security. Still, they do not give up. But tortured me the most was their strength and positive attitude. Even after facing so many difficulties, they continues to smile, interact with customer politely, and carry on with their work. They are not only earning for themselves but also supporting their families back in their villages. In many ways, they are the backbone of their households. This project also made me realize how important their role in our society. They make fresh fruit easily available and affordable for everyone. Without them, our daily lives would be less convenient. However, despite their contribution, they often do not receive the respect and recognition they deserve. Another important lesson I learned is the value of empathy and human connection. Society also need to take steps to improve their living and working condition by providing basic facilities, healthcare, and social security. This project has challenged my perspective and made me more sensitive toward the struggles of migrants workers. It has taught me that true education is not just about gaining knowledge but also about developing compassion and understanding for others. I hope that through this project I have been able to highlight the lives of migrants, fruit vendors, and create some awareness about their situation. I also hope that more people will start recognizing their effort and treating them with the respect they truly deserve. In the end, even small act of kindness and awareness can create a big difference. Together, we can build a society that is more caring, inclusive, and respectful for everyone. Thank you.